Welcome to Jurgen's Journeys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today on Jurgen's Journeys, we're heading to Mocksville, North Carolina. Why Mocksville? Well, because there's a pretty big camper place there, and they happen to have one of my favorite campers there this year. It's a 2108 FBS Winnebago Micro Minnie. This is a trailer about the size of the one I've got, laid out pretty much the same way. And so I wanted to check it out for my own personal reasons, but I thought I might share it with you. We're going to go in there, and the one that I wanted to show you is in the bay. They're cleaning it up, getting it ready to go out. Somebody bought it last night. Lucky them. But anyway, here's a few shots of that, and I'll kind of tell you a little bit about it as we go, and hope you enjoy it. We'll see you there. So here it is. This is the 2021, the new model, and it's got the power tongue jack and 20-pound propane bottles there. Nice rock guard. It's pretty much the same as last year's model on the outside, as far as I can tell, except for this slide right here. It's about 6 inches deeper, and that's to accommodate a box that they put in behind the couch, which I don't know why they did that. I'll show it to you in a minute. There's your power hookup and your satellite and your park cable. There's your black tank flush right there. Don't confuse it with your park water hookup and your hot water heater. Yeah, it's pretty much like last year's. Oh yeah, the outside shower there. Then the ladder on this one goes up to the roof where they've installed a solar prep and a 100-watt solar panel to keep your battery charged up. There's a prep for the backup camera, and of course we've got LED lights all the way around, inside and out. That's pretty nice. They did that last year too on the 2020s. So it's pretty much the same trailer as far as I can tell. I don't know if they even changed the graphics. I think they did. But on the inside, here's my old trailer. It's a 14 model, and it's got that scissor couch and a folding table. Last year's also had this scissor couch. Now, you can check a video I did on this one last year and see more about that. But it also had the folding table that slips in behind the couch there. Now, this is this year's model. Notice the box in behind the couch. They've got this different table. It's not a fold-up. It kind of hooks in the front of that couch on a pole, and then it stows in this wooden box they made behind the couch. That might be an advantage. I don't know. Notice the beautiful woodwork that we had in our 2014 model. Also in the 2020, the nice woodwork over the bed, solid wood frame doors. This was how they made them up until last year, and then this year they've changed all that. I'll show you in a minute. This is last year's. You can see a video on that. But they had the wardrobe on one side. The other side they have the 110 volt outlet and a WSB outlet, which is pretty nice. They didn't do that originally, just had the 110. But have a nice deep drawer next to the bed. Now this is the new model, the 2021. Yeah, it's got big windows on both sides. It's real nice, but nothing in the way of storage cabinets up above, except that got that outlet up top and this outlet down below. There's no drawer. They've just got those wardrobe boxes on both sides and a shelf across the top, which to me is quite a downgrade. The doors on all this have gotten away from the nice solid wood frames. They've made these cheap melamine panels for doors and tried to call it upgrade, I don't know, contemporary. This is the old 2014 that I have, and I love it. It's got a rich color on the solid wood doors, and this is the brand new one. This is the microwave convection oven. They took away the oven down below and replaced it with the power panel, the breaker panels and all that. The electrical went down under the stove there, And they put in a nice big deep drawer, which that's pretty nice. I can't knock that. We never use our oven on ours, but it's got a nice flush cooktop, nice flush sink top, and a deep single bowl stainless steel sink. Then there's some more drawers. They've got those full extension drawer slides, but still they've got those cheap melamine panels on the drawer fronts where they used to be solid wood. Can't say that I'm a big fan of that. It's really hasn't dressed it up that much, I don't think. And this is a little different too. You can access this cabinet from the end with the slide in, where in the past it was on the face side there where the TV is, and you couldn't access it completely when the slide came in. Bathroom is reversed. They had that sink on the other side, put a stainless steel bowl in it, which they've done that for a few years. But there's another look at that bed there, and of course they've got the big box under the bed. Now if you get the other unit, they make one with a Murphy bed, and you lose that storage under the bed when they put in a Murphy bed and a dinette. But that's not a bad setup right there with that storage. We like the storage underneath. Up top, they've got a flush air conditioner with ducted AC, and some of the lights are touch and some are not. That one wasn't. There's the flush AC, which is pretty nice, and then there's one of those touch lights. Okay, so that's same as last year. Nothing's changed there, I don't think. There's another look at the overhead cabinet above the sink. Yeah, the cabinet is basically cheapened. Even the controls on the end there are not behind a little door anymore. They've exposed them, which they may consider that an improvement. I don't. Here's what I'm talking about on last year's model. They hid the controls behind that little door on the end of the cabinet, and then put a nice solid wood frame around all of the doors. But that's just my opinion. Don't get me wrong, I'm not against contemporary. I love contemporary, but this just doesn't look that contemporary. It just looks cheap to me, and I'm not real thrilled about it. So that's my opinion of the Winnebago, the 2021 model of the 2108 FBS. The Asdel siding and the solar package are nice. They did those last year. I didn't say much about the Comfort package or the Explorer package, but they had those last year, and you can go back at the lengthier video that I did on that model. That Explorer package raised the trailer some, and I'm not too thrilled about that. It's a little harder to get in and out of. So there's a lot more to be said about the Winnebago this year, and you certainly want to go to their website and check out all the details about it. I've skipped over a lot because I was under a lot of pressure to get done with this video. They had 3 people standing behind me waiting to get in there and work on this trailer, and I apologize for that. I would have wanted to do a better review for you, but that's just quickly my opinion of it. Well, so what do you think? They're a lot pricier there these days than they were back 7 years ago when I bought mine. Why, the price has gone up quite a bit, but still, it's a nice trailer, and they've got some nice features on it. So tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you like it or not. And certainly if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Show somebody else. And by all means, subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more videos like this. But at any rate, I appreciate you watching, and wish you a great day. May all your journeys be safe, and may God bless you.